Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over Zion Oil and Gas's press release. That's right, a press release, May 18th, 2023, yesterday. They released a press release. We're going to go over that. We're going to take a look at the charts and see how the market reacted to it, and I'll kind of give you my thoughts and breakdowns on it. So it says Zion Oil and Gas Incorporated announces significant progress in launch of new unit program. This is going to seem kind of familiar because this press release is pretty much what they emailed out the other day. And yeah, so it says they celebrate significant milestones in divine guidance, leading the company into a new phase of operations in Israel. We've seen God's hand guiding us to make significant strides towards our mission of providing oil and gas for Israel's economic and political independence, said Rob Dunn, CEO of Zion Oil and Gas. Our preparations for the re-entry of the MJ1 are underway, and we are excited about the potential for success by utilizing new perforation methods. The company owns its drilling rig, a substantial advantage that eliminates past challenges of securing one. They are also finalizing quotes for specialized coil tubing and plan to commence operations in the third quarter of this year. Our 7th license application is in process, and we are confident in its approval, considering we have never been denied a license, said Jeffrey Moskowitz, VP and Managing Director of the Israel branch. This is not an extension, but a new license spanning 7 years, providing ample time for further exploration and development. As pioneers in the field, Zion Oil and Gas conducted the first and only commercial 3D seismic testing in Israel. The Israeli Ministry of Energy has expressed encouragement towards their planned operations. In addition to their operational achievements, the company recently concluded an SEC investigation without any charges or recommendations for enforcement action, highlighted the company's commitment to the highest levels of integrity and transparency. Zion is also excited to announce a new unit program running from May 15th to June 15th. Each unit costs $250 and is available to both new and existing direct stock purchase plan investors. Each unit comes with 200 warrants, with an option to gain an additional 300 warrants for those who join the automatic monthly investment program with the DSPP. More details about the unit program can be found on their website, and there's a link there. We are thankful for continued support, trust, and prayers of our shareholders and supporters. Your encouragement plays a vital role in our work, and we are confident that we are part of God's plan for Israel, said John Brown, Zion founder and board chair. Okay, so a couple things here. So it's pretty similar to what they emailed out the other day, for one. All right, so it's really nothing new. We already kind of knew what this was. So why did they release this out as a press release right after they just announced all of this information to the shareholders? And it's pretty simple, because I think they realized that the people that they sent it out to just didn't care, didn't get a whole lot of traction on it, and now they're trying to get it out to the public and tell as many people as possible. And it's pretty evident as to why, right? And this is why here. Okay, right here they're asking for more money, so they're trying to get the word out and tell more people and make it seem like they've made some type of huge achievement and progress, which in reality they haven't done anything new or anything different. They're still in the same situation they were 2 or 3 months ago. I mean, pretty much the exact same situation. They can say whatever they want as, oh, we feel good about the progress. What progress? You're buying or ordering or getting quotes on all this stuff, and you have no idea if you're able to do it. So until you get that license and until that's finalized, I don't think people are going to care, what you say. So, however, let's take a look at the charts really quickly and see how they reacted to the press release. All right, guys, taking a look at Zion Oil and Gas, ticker symbol ZNOG. At the time of the press release, it shot up, guys, from about 8.5 cents all the way up to about 14. Okay, and just the fact that they released a press release, I think, is what sparked this huge spike in price, although it was very, very short-lived. As soon as it shot up to about 14 cents, then as you see, it came right back down, and it couldn't hold. I think because the market saw that it was, again, nothing much, nothing to see here type thing, and then you immediately get a sell signal. So you end the day exactly where you started off of a press release. That's got to be discouraging for investors in the company, but the company has to know that they can't just throw anything out there and expect for it to have some traction. Overall, the tip-top level is 23 cents here, and by next week or the following, it's going to be down to 20, and then your next leg down is about 14. So unless we get some type of traction and move to the upside fairly soon, I see this, and I've been saying this, I see this breaking below 8.5, and I see it retesting the 5 cent mark, and maybe that's where we bottom out again before they get the license extension and we start moving up. But if it does get back to 5 cents again, I feel like it's going to hold somewhere around there, and then that makes for, I think, a double up opportunity in my opinion. But you have your annual shareholder meeting coming up sometime in June, and that if you remember last year, that was the big speculative point where the price ran up significantly from where it was, because people thought they were going to announce oil, and then they crashed the stock again because they came out and they had John Brown saying that they don't have anything yet and all this stuff. So if it's going to run up, I don't think it's going to run up off of that, because of the fact that I think people are like, okay, we know they're not going to announce anything, and they probably don't have a whole lot of faith in that they're going to get some type of significant news. But it would be cool if during the shareholder meeting they announced that they got the extension. That'd be pretty neat, and then actually, based off of news, make it start moving. But I don't know, so we'll have to just kind of wait it out and see. So a little bonus technical analysis for you guys for Amazon. Okay, you see Amazon ran up. Remember I told you I had taken that put out and it fell, and I said to watch about the 109 level. I said taking profits here, and I said watch the 109 level, and if it bounces, we're going to move up. Well, we bounced from 109 all the way to 118. However, we are super overextended here, and starting to kind of cool down. So if we find support at about basically 116.50, we're okay. But if we break below there, then I think we could retest 112 to 109 level there, and before making our way back up. But that was a nice run up here for anyone who may have caught a swing at 109, 110. Ran up pretty significant there. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.